am Subhadip Sarkar, PGT Physics of JDS Public School, Panpur. We have a spacious and fully equipped physics laboratory as per CBSE norms. Now, I will explain some of the instruments with their working functions. Starting with this experiment, like this is PN junction diode, which is used to measure the IV characteristics curve of a semiconductor diode. Next, we have Zener diode, which explains the characteristics curve. This is spectrometer. This is a very unique instrument which is used in spectral analysis of light. This is an optical bench which is used to measure focal length, object distance and image distance of a body, and in different purpose we will use this instrument in optics. This is sonometer. This device is used to measure unknown frequency of a tuning fork. This is helical spring apparatus, which is used to find the K, that is spring constant of a helical spring. This is Young's modulus apparatus. This apparatus is used to find out the Young's modulus of a wire. This is called resonance tube apparatus, which is used to measure the speed of sound in air. This is Boyle's law apparatus. We can measure the variation of pressure and also draw the P versus V curve, which gives idea about Boyle's law. I hope I could make you understand about all the instruments and everything, and I will request you to pay visit in our institution. Thank you.